wake up in the morning, the sun is shining bright. No need to worry, no need for a fight. Put on our shoes and we're out the door. Looking for some fun, we want so much more. We head to the park, where the grass is green. The birds are singing, it's a perfect scene. We start to run, we start to play, chasing butterflies along the way. The wind is blowing gently through our hair, there's not a single care. We laugh and shout, we have a ball. This is what it means to have fun, y'all. Then we go downtown, the city's alive. There's music playing, people thrive. We join the crowd, we start to dance. Our bodies moving, it's like a trance. We find a fair with rides so high, the Ferris wheel against the sky. We get in line, our hearts are racing, excitement building, no time for pacing. We go on the roller coaster, up and down we go, screaming with joy, it's a wild show. We try the cotton candy sweet on our tongue. These are the moments that make us young. Having fun, it's what we do, all day long, from dusk till dew. We don't stop, we don't look back, just keep on going, stay on track. Fun is the key, it sets us free in this world of ours, so wild and free. We sing and shout, we jump around. Having fun is the best thing we found. As the night falls, we head to the beach. The moon is out, it's in our reach. We build a bonfire, the flames are high. We sit around it, watch the sky. We tell stories, old and new. Our friends are here, it's a great crew. We play some games like truth or dare, laughing so hard we can barely share. We go for a swim in the ocean's waves. The water's cool, it calms our raves. We float on our backs, look at the stars. This is a night that'll leave some scars. Scars of joy, memories that stay. Fun times are here to stay. Next day comes, we're still on a roll. We plan a picnic by a babbling brook. We pack some food, some drinks so cold, and off we go.